Mott, Verizon, you all stitch it all together. You're working very closely with all of these CTOs, no doubt. Give us a state of the state sort of across the board as to what you're focusing your attention on and what they're asking you to focus your attention on.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. Good afternoon, and I appreciate being on here again. Yes, a lot of the focus is really on how we're enabling some of these innovation technologies that are supporting each one of these missions. We're, as all the folks said before, previous to me, a lot of it's thinking about all the AI and all the work that's coming down through there, and then, looking at the future and those elements which are coming in, and we'll start saying, okay, how do I make sure that I have the right infrastructure underneath it? A lot of this will not happen or take place without that strong infrastructure underneath there. Dan said it before, there's an infrastructure modernization that has to associate with each one of these new technologies that are coming into place so that you're able to support the end-to-end mission and actually get the performance that you need. I mean, you're going to be looking at like a 20 to 30% year-over-year growth every year for the next 5 years of data that's going to be passing across our networks to support things like AI and quantum when it does become more in fruition. And that's where we'll be there to be able to support each one of these CTOs with their mission to be able to make sure that they're able to get data back and forth. And then you're going to see a bigger proliferation of these things over to the edge too as well. And that's where things coming in from, not just the fiber assets that we're going to be able to put in place, but also the wireless assets too as well. To be able to ensure that you're able to get that connectivity and that data to where it needs to be so that you can support the end-to-end mission.